When we first switch the unit on, you see a red display, which is the temperature the wax is trying to achieve, and that's preset to 185. And the blue display is a 12-hour clock. At the moment, we've got a red LED showing, which is AM. When it goes beyond 12 o'clock, it'll change to green for PM. Let's say you want your wax to be at 170. It's just a simple matter using the minus button to change it down to 170 degrees. We need to set the local time now to say 10:30. So we press the T button to make the hours flash, and the minus button reduces the hours to 10. We press the T button again to move over to minutes, and we want it to say 10:30. So we hold that button until it gets to 10:30, and then we press the T button again, and we're back to a solid display, and that's the current time. Now there are 5 displays on here which will cycle round as you press the M button. We've got target temperature your wax is trying to achieve. That's standby, which will allow the temperature to drop to about 100 degrees F and hold it there until you decide to do something else, and you press another button. Now we're on fast heat, which will put extra energy into the wax to heat it up quicker than normal. And then we've got the red LED, which is the alarm. So you've now triggered or set the alarm for tomorrow morning at 7 AM. And then we've got blank, which basically means the wax will now gradually cool down to room temperature because nothing is happening. If we press the M button until we get the red LED, that's the alarm ready and armed to work tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. And we can now set it from 7 o'clock, which is the factory preset, to say 8:10. So we move to the minutes and we change it to 10, press it again, and that's the alarm set. And then it reverts back to current time. If you wish to check what the alarm is set to, you turn the red light on and check A, 8:10. To see more details of each of these red functions, you can see the text below this video.